Okay. So, magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Ayan. Wala pa ako sa ulirat. Ayan. Kagigising-gising lang po. Kailangan ko may transfer tong message na to right away bago pa siya mawala. Yung message is may kinalaman sa family, sa'yo, sa isang, let us just call it generational curse, parang ganon. And lately siguro nararamdaman mo na parang ang bigat ng flow ng life mo dahil yon dun sa last name na dala-dala mo. It's because of the last name na meron ka. And hindi lang ikaw yung nakaranas nito. Like, from generation to generation, basta dala-dala nung last name. And let me just like highlight this. Hindi pangit yung last name mo. Your last name is actually really, really great. Something na dapat ipagpasalamat mo sa mga ancestors mo, sa pamilya mo. You have a very, very nice last name. It is just more on, sabihin na natin, every family may something. Okay, every last name may something. And nagkataon lang na sa generation na ito, ikaw yung napili na makaramdam nitong energy na to. Pero believe me, your great-great-grandmother, great-great-grandfather, your ancestors, naramdaman din ito. And the message is, they are so proud of you. As in, they are so proud of you. And this is the time na maging thankful ka sa kanila because they are thankful also that you did not give up, na hindi ka sumuko sa kung ano man yung meron, yung family ninyo, yung last name mo, because it's all about your last name. Some people, ito medyo i-highlight ko to, some people sa mundo na to, they know it. Ibig sabihin, alam nila na there is something sa'yo. Alam nila na nag-undergo ka sa isang, I don't know, cleansing, purification, na hindi lang ikaw yung highlight, hindi lang ikaw yung main character, hindi lang, ayun, so mag-e-edit ako, magto-two-part na lang ako. So, nasa na ba ako nun? It's more on, alam nila na nag-undergo ka, para mapaliwanag ko tong part na to, kailangan ko sabihin ito muna. Your ancestors is actually expecting na mag-e-end na sa'yo to. Ibig sabihin, ikaw na yung last na generation ng family nyo na magdadala nitong kung ano man ito. No, I don't know how to explain it, kung this is a curse, this is a something, basta ito lang sasabihin ko sa'yo, hindi ibig sabihin may ginawang masama ang pamilya nyo or something. It is just more on every family merong ganito, ha? So, coming from your ancestors, from your great-great-grandmother, great-great-great-great-great-grandfather, na ikaw na yung pinakalas na magdadala nito. And for some of you is probably ikaw na rin yung magpapabago ng buong bloodline ng buong pamilya mo. Ibig sabihin, the big change is mangyayari sa'yo. That's why your ancestors, your family is so proud of you. And balik na ako dun sa sinasabi ko kanina, na there's some people na alam nila na ikaw yon. Ibig sabihin, you are the chosen one. Ikaw magpapabago ng kapalaran ng buong bloodline mo. So, what they do is they try to sabotage you. They try to sabotage you and try to make the whole scenario much more difficult. Kaya nga, kakaiba yung atake sa'yo because there is some energy out there na alam nila na ginagawa mo lang yung mission mo, na ikaw yung magiging dahilan para magkaroon ng big transformation sa loob ng pamilya. Ikaw yung mag-break ng isang curse or something. Sabi ko nga sa'yo, this is from generational and generational, your great-great-grandmother, great-great-grandfather, na experience to. Hindi lang talaga, syempre hindi lang sila nabuhay para sabihin sa'yo na naranasan din namin yan, and then we overcome it. And this is the time, my dear, that you will be the last. Ikaw yung pinakahuling na makakaranas yan. And believe me, you will bring a lot of transformation sa bloodline mo. Darating yung araw, if you will still alive, para ma-share sa kanila yung mga nangyari sa'yo, yeah, they will remember you forever. Pero kung hindi naman, your ancestors in heaven will be so thankful of you, and they will be so grateful na naging member ka ng pamilya. Always remember that.